Totally implantable wireless blood flow monitors provide blood flow information about a specific vessel while allowing the patient to freely move. While reasonably accurate, these devices are still too bulky and have limited implant lifetimes that prevent their adoption as a monitoring modality in applications such as postoperative monitoring of free flap tissue transfer surgeries. We review the body of published literature for wireless implantable Doppler devices to analyze what has held back this technology from adoption and what directions it should pursue to become the go-to for wireless blood flow monitoring. There are a variety of free flap monitoring modalities. Many are non-invasive, but often limited by cost, the need for experienced personnel, response time, and monitoring location on the body. The wired implantable Doppler stands out from the other available modalities in that it is very low cost and can monitor anywhere on the body, including buried flaps, which are often too deep to be monitored by other modalities. However, despite this distinct advantage of the wired implantable Doppler over the options available, it is invasive and prone to unreliability due to its transcutaneous wire tether that runs from the bedside monitor through the patient's skin to the vessel under test. This wire can be snagged and become dislodged, causing loss of flow signal and damage the vessel. Wireless implantable Doppler blood flow monitors eliminate this wire tether and stand to ameliorate the shortcomings of the wired implantable Doppler. The definitions of reported accuracy of wireless implantable Doppler blood flow monitors vary widely throughout the published literature. The reasons for this are that many of the devices are benchmarked across a specific flow rate range and flow profile, which correspond to specific blood flow vessel locations in the body. The two Doppler blood flow monitor configurations found in literature use either the continuous wave Doppler principle or the pulse wave Doppler principle. Both continuous wave and pulse wave configurations can be designed to detect the direction of blood flow. Continuous wave Doppler devices are less complex than their pulse wave counterparts, but this reduced complexity comes at the cost of typically less accuracy. Continuous wave devices report the average spatial velocity across the entire vessel lumen, whereas the pulse wave Doppler devices can resolve the average spatial velocity in small increments across the vessel lumen. Directional flow measurement devices are generally more accurate than non-directional devices and are particularly useful when the blood flow profile is either unknown or known to be turbulent, such as in the arteries. A variety of miniaturization techniques have been used to reduce the size of the implanted devices. Large devices present a large bioburden and cause discomfort for the patient. Despite the body of published literature spanning over 40 years, wireless implantable blood flow monitor sizes remain still too large for practical use. The smallest devices make use of highly integrated and application-specific integrated circuits, but still, these devices remain too large. The overwhelming majority of reported monitors are battery-powered, leading to limited implant lifetimes and a bulky package. By taking advantage of recent advancements in monolithic integrated circuit manufacturing, future wireless implanted blood flow monitors should integrate the entire blood flow electronics into a single application-specific integrated circuit microchip, which stands to drastically reduce the implant size compared to previously published monitors, as well as reducing the power consumption sufficiently to become part of a wirelessly powered biomedical implantable microchip monitor.